Hello, I'm K. Pawan Kumar Varma, and I have done a project on exploratory data analysis on the sports data, that is cricket, especially on IPL dataset. I have done this exploratory data analysis. I have done it normally by using all the libraries, and also I have used one library named Sweetviz. Sweetviz library is nothing but it is an open source Python library that generates a beautiful high density visualizations to kickstart EDS by just giving 2 or 3 lines of a code. The output is fully self-contained HTML application. As you can see here, this is just a 2 lines code that has been generated, and I have also done on manual code also. So we'll have a look in it. Firstly, I have imported libraries. I have explaining about the normal thing how it is done in Python without using the Sweetviz library, and later on I'll show the Sweetviz library. In the starting, I have used imported all the libraries. The basic libraries: NumPys, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and urllib.request. I have imported the data here. Have verified the data, information of the data. I have two data frames actually. Those are one is of named matches and one is of deliveries. So I have taken df and df1, data frame and data frame 1. These are the two things. I have verified both here. um, Firstly, I have taken total matches played and total matches and toss been won and lost. What are the total matches played by each team, how many times that team has won the match and won the toss or lost the toss, and the ratio. I have taken it here. You can see this. These are the teams. We have 15 teams and the matches played by each team and their how many times they have won, how many times they have won the toss, the total times they have won the toss and the match, and this is the win and loss ratio. This is the maximum toss won teams plot I have drawn here. Mumbai Indians are the team which won toss the maximum times. Both toss and match won. This is the ratio. This is the ratio of teams which won the toss and the match. I have drawn it in a pie chart. Here is the plotting the teams based on the match won ratio. This is the ratio. How many times they have won the match? Least is Rising Pune Super Giants, and most of the times Mumbai Indians used to win. Here it is in the first in the chart. Have taken the shape of the first data frame, that is df.shape, and this is the description of df1.shape, and have described the data frame also here. In data frame have taken id, number of matches of the data set, that is id. Here in df1 it is match id. IPL seasons in the data set, I have taken seasons. You can see 1, 2, 3. It's around 12 seasons. I have taken 12 seasons, so it is giving 12 seasons. Here the length it is given as 12. Length of DF of season of unique, that is 12. Winner of each season. These are the list. You can see here. Most wins. Here it is the most wins Mumbai Indians, Chennai Super Kings. And this is and another axis we have taken here, the same code, but we have changed the axis. Here we have drawn on sns.bar plot. So this is the plot. Team info that won by maximum runs. These are the maximum runs by which they have won. Each team comparison I have done here with the code printing, and have given the data frame here. Which each and every team, the code like each and every team. There will be comparison, Sunrise versus other teams, Mumbai Indians versus other teams. On base of every 15 teams, the comparison will be done here. You can see 15 plots, and later team winning by minimum runs, maximum wickets, minimum runs, minimum wickets. These are the codes. You can see here Kolkata Knight Riders, Mumbai Indians, Kolkata Knight Riders. These are the teams which have won, and you can see I have given an observation here. Mumbai Indians is the team which won by maximum minimum runs. Kolkata Riders is the team which won by maximum minimum runs, minimum wickets. Sorry. This is the observation. You can see that both results are the same for maximum runs and maximum runs and minimum runs and maximum wickets and minimum wickets. Season has most number of matches. You can see 2012, 11, 12 and 13 has most of the matches. And here is the top players. Who are the top players of in each team? Not in each team, in the entire IPL season. Who are the top players? Batsman's overview, the strike rate, runs, balls they have used. This is the overview. This is the top batsmen. Here you can see top batsman equals to, yeah. This is the top batsmen: Virat Kohli, Suresh Raina, RG Sharma, Dhawan. These are the batsmen. Only considering the runs, it has given the best batsman. You can also see here the best strike rate here. Strike rates, how many zeros, how many fours, ones, sixes, and all. On basis of that, this plot has been drawn. This is the matches played. This is the plot drawn for how many matches they have played, and all the sixes, fours, and what is the average fours in each match, sixes in each match. This is the plot. Total runs by each batsman here. It is given. It is same as the above plot, the total runs. This is the strike rate. It is represented in bar plot. Bowlers information. Here it is a bowlers information. How many wickets, how many balls, and how many runs they have given. Top bowlers. You can see the top bowlers. This is a pictorial, like a bar graph drawn on the bowlers. Wickets taken by the bowlers. It is a graph. Uh, and at last, the Sweetviz library. I have installed the library here and have run the library. I have given this, have taken one variable and analyzed the data here, and I asked to show. And this is another I have mentioned I have taken two datas. So these are the two datas and I have mentioned them. These are the outputs. You can see the match IDs, each and every match ID, innings, batting team, bowling team. You can see this is the HTML page that throws out. It will automatically get downloaded when you run it. Bowlers, the number of bowlers, each and everything that we have listed till now, that will be mentioned here. These are for two data sets right now. This is just as I have mentioned earlier, that is the easy code that can get beautiful pictorial things in a graph model. We can see the total number of wins in each team. This is again the normal thing I have calculated, like I have given a code so that it can draw from the loaded data. I have drawn a bar plot on total number of wins by each team. Most man of the match awards here. Who got most man of the match awards? And top 20 players with most man of the match awards. This is Chris Gale got most man of the match awards in top 20. These are the charts drawn on batsmen versus total runs they have made. Top 20. top 20 bowlers based on total wickets taken. And here I have merged both the datas, matches and deliveries into a data set called as IPL, and here it is created as this. I have collected the orange cap winners here, purple cap winners. You can see the purple cap winners. As my project main motto is to find out the best pick for endorsement, so I have picked them, the batsman bowler, both the batsman bowler Virat Kohli, Suresh Raina, as their consistency in the runs, making the runs is very good, and for the bowlers, the economy and the wickets are good, so I have chosen them. Coming to the teams, the most winning teams, the Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings and Kolkata Knight Riders. And I have given a conclusion for these bowlers. Malinga and Bravo are leading wicket takers in the whole tournament. So that's it for now. Thank you.